Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be reviewing a one-stop shop cleanser that I've been loving for the past couple of years, and I'm going to be showing you one of my newest discoveries of how I've been loving it recently, and probably the only way that I can show you how I use this product on YouTube, with the exception of if I use it as a face wash. So before we get things going with the video, I want to thank everyone that has been subscribing to my channel recently. I am trying to hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year or more possibly. We'll see how things go. So engaging with this video, whether it's commenting your favorite emoji, liking, sharing, hitting the hype button if you happen to see it within the first 7 days. All those things will really help to push up my channel and hopefully reach my goal of 10,000 subscribers by the end of December. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So the product that we are going to be talking about today is good old Castile soap. And this is the Dr. Bronner's brand, the most widely available brand there is of Castile soap. But it wasn't until the last 2 years or so that I tried it. And as you can see, I do not have much left of this product at all. I heard rumblings that they've sold the company, and I hope that's not the case. But I'm going to show you the ingredients of the version that I have. So they are listed right here. I love how simple the ingredients are, no frills. I have the hemp peppermint version, but I've also seen tea tree. Lavender is a very popular one, but I don't know if I would stray too far away from the peppermint because I love it so much, and some of the ways that I use it, the peppermint is really, really effective and soothing for my skin. But it says that you can use it 18 different ways, and I've used it maybe 4 if I'm counting. It does emphasize that you're supposed to dilute this, be on the safe side. This is one of those do what I say, not what I do type of moments where I personally don't dilute the product. Any way that I use it is just straight out of the bottle because Castile soap is very cleansing and can be stripping. Always dilute it. Don't do like I do. Here is a snapshot right here of some of the ways that they list that you can use this product. It has a very strong peppermint scent, which I like. Peppermint is one of the scents that really helps to soothe and calm me down. Since the main focus of this video is going to be using this product on my hair, I wanted to touch briefly on the other ways that I use this product. Although it's not my favorite facial cleanser because it is very cleansing, I don't want to disrupt my skin's moisture barrier and dry it out. I have used this product before as a face wash on a trip when I was running out of my other one that I had brought, and it did a really good job. It took everything off my skin, my moisturizer, any creams that I used, they were completely gone from my face, and I didn't have any adverse effects because I used it very sparingly. If I did use it every day as my main facial cleanser, I might not have great results. But every blue moon, especially when I want to really give my skin a nice deep cleanse, this stuff does a great job. You'll see when I hop in the shower to wash my hair, this stuff is super liquidy. I've used this as a body wash before, and again, just like using this product on my face, this is a fantastic cleanser from head to toe. It gets off any sort of lotion or product that I've applied to my skin, and it just feels extra clean. You know how sometimes the deodorant buildup can happen under your arms and feels like even if you scrub and scrub, you can't get all of it off? This stuff does. If you need a product that's going to get your skin very clean, if you have like some type of product buildup or anything like that, this does a fantastic job. To the point where after I use up all the body washes that I have in my stash, as long as they haven't changed the ingredients in a way that doesn't work for me anymore, this is going to be my main body wash from here on out. Since I've only tried the peppermint versions, I can't speak on the other ones, but this one in particular is really great for knocking out odor as well. I always smell extra clean and feel super fresh after using this as my body wash. Leading into that is my favorite way to use this product, and it says my feminine cleansing wash. I've tested out a lot of different brands over the years. Some have worked better than others, but none have come close to this Castile soap, especially when I'm on my period, when things are a little extra tender and sensitive. This feels so soothing, calming, and the cooling effect gives me such relief and helps to make things a little bit easier during that time. As we all know, that is a very delicate area, and I love the fact that this doesn't cause any irritation or dry out my skin. But as I mentioned, I do use it undiluted, so I want to emphasize, if you're going to be testing it out that way, make sure that you dilute the product. I've gotten lucky that I haven't had any adverse effects. Knock on wood. And just like I mentioned, this is going to be my forever body wash. I am intending for it to be my forever feminine cleansing wash as well. I happened to see this in the corner of my eye, and I was like, do I dare finally try this on my hair? Immediately, I knew I wanted to do a video showing you how I use it to shampoo my hair, and I'm actually doing 2 videos in one today. I am going to be hennaing my hair. It is time for me to color these grays. I have gone maybe, I don't know, over 4 months, and as you can see, I have a lot of new growth here. And whenever I am going to be hennaing my hair, I like to get it super, super clean. I am very excited because the first time that I used this, it felt like my hair got squeaky clean, but not dried out. And plus my hair in general feels like it needs a deep clean. I have been moisturizing it more in between my wash days. I've got some additional product on it right now that I would love to get off. So I am going to be using this Dr. Bronner's today, and I am very excited to show you how the process goes. So this is the first time that I'm filming in the shower on my phone, so the setup is kind of weird, so we will see how things go. But I just finished super thoroughly detangling my hair. This is also 2 wash days after I filmed the intro. A lot was going on that day. That was the day when it was just like a hot mess of a day for me. So I decided to just focus on my henna video and to do this part on a day where I could kind of like breathe pretty much. My hair has been trimmed since then, so if it looks slightly different, that is why. So I am so happy with how my detangling session went. It was not fun as per usual, but with my ends being freshly trimmed, it feels so much better. So next up is cleansing. I'm going to go ahead and separate my hair into 4 sections because it is still super wet from the shower, as you can see, because I am not gonna leave the shower running while I'm doing this video because number one, that makes the water bill go up and it makes such a terrible mess. So I'm just going to take advantage of the water that is in my hair currently, and we are going to go from there. I used to move it from this bottle to a separate applicator bottle, but it kept getting clogged up, so now I just use it from the main right here. But for ease of use, if you can find a reliable bottle, that is definitely recommended. So as you can see, this lathers up so nicely. And I like to stretch the section out so I can get right to the roots there. And it's a pretty cleansing product, but I do like to shampoo the length of my hair. I don't do it every time, but I do it most of the time. And as you can see, the lather is crazy. So this stuff is very economical. A little bit definitely goes a long way for me. I love how I can just easily drag the suds down all the length of my hair. This is only the 3rd time I believe that I've used this product in my hair. And I wouldn't use it every wash day. It is pretty cleansing, as I mentioned, so I don't want to overdo it and dry my hair out. But definitely once a month seems to be a good sweet spot for me. It's definitely a step above when it comes to cleansing compared to my more moisturizing shampoos. I would say it's maybe right underneath clarifying for me. 1 section down. Oh, hello. On to this section. Should get the scalp. Because this has such a nice slippery lather, I can access my scalp really easily with this. See that it's slightly detangling, but I don't like to push my luck and like actually go in with a brush or anything like that, but it does make it so nice to apply to my hair. Just separate to make sure I've gotten the inner chambers, and then just twist it up. And I like to twist it up not only because it keeps things nice and organized, but I feel like it gives whatever cleansing I'm using that extra chance to really get into my hair, into my scalp, and sit and dissolve dirt and oil and all that stuff. And it is so liquidy that I can barely even show the texture to you guys without trying to run out my hand. Emulsify it really good. Get that lather going. And it's just such a nice thin lather. Has a slightly almost silky quality to it. And this just makes it so easy to move through my super thick hair that's already trying to retangle. And I love that it gets my hair so clean without it giving me that like too squeaky clean feeling, because I am trying to cleanse my hair more and give it deeper cleans in 2026, like I mentioned in my first video of the new year, or one of my first, but I don't want to do that every wash day, of course. And this is a great option to cleanse my hair more without stripping it of every last bit of moisture that's in there. In fact, I think it actually imparts a little bit of moisture to my hair, which is really, really cool. Last section. And now that I know I can use this on my hair, this can come in handy depending on where I'm going, like on a trip or something, where I very rarely need to do my hair, but you know, stuff comes up. So if I ever do plan to maybe go somewhere where washing my hair on vacation is a thing, I can bring this and it can be my shampoo, my face wash, my feminine wash, and my body wash all in one. This stuff is magical. Oh, it feels so nice. I can go to bed after using this. It feels so awesome on my scalp. Curls are looking good, even with shampoo. I might attempt to show you guys at least partial rinsing this out, but if it starts to make a mess, then yeah. Filming in the shower sucks. It adds to the video for sure, but it's not fun. Last two sections. The last section, it's getting a little messy. That was not pleasant. What things are looking like. I'm halfway out the shower right now, Winnie the Poohing it, making the floor absolutely drenched in water, but I wanted to show you guys a up close view. My scalp feels absolutely amazing. It's so clean. My hair has that kind of slickness that comes when you have no buildup on it. Curls. Look and feel really, really happy. Like, oh, yes. I'm gonna get back in the shower for the outro so I do not slip and fall and break something when I actually get out of the shower and everything. So thank you all so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video all about the wonders and awesomeness that is Castile soap. When I run out of this, I'm gonna go get one of those like cardboard cartons that you can get from like Wegmans or something that I've seen, and refill this bad boy, try to put less plastic out into the world if I can. I think I'm gonna stick with the hemp peppermint because I just love how I can use it on pretty much head to toe, every part of my body, and have no issues, and it feels absolutely amazing. For where my skin is right now, I seem to be okay using this no matter what time of year it is. So I absolutely love it. Economical, smells good, great ingredients. I hope they don't change it, even if they say it's for a good reason. They need to just leave it alone. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give it a like, hype it if you happen to see it in the first 7 days. The hyping really helps with small channels like mine. Remember to upload short and long form content once a week here on my channel, and I will see you very soon in the next video. Take care, everyone. Bye.